4x plus 6y equals 28. If you observe, it is nothing but the same question multiplied by 2, right? देखो इसको 2 से divide कर दो, क्या आएगा? 2x plus 3y equals 48. Okay, 3a plus 2b is 24, वही है ना? So this will also have 5 solutions, right? Okay. Now, guys, always remember we have a shortcut for all solving these questions. You don't need to basically list down or try to find out all the values of x and y in this case in order to find out how many solutions exist. Okay, I repeat, you don't need to calculate the actual or find out the actual values of the variables in order to find out how many solutions exist. For how many solutions exist, we have a quick shortcut. Okay, for ax plus by equals to k, where a and b are co-prime and at least one of a and b is a factor of k, then the number of non-negative integral solutions is given by a box of k divided by LCM of AB plus 1. Okay, it might look like all Greek and Latin for time being. Okay, I'll demonstrate again with the help of examples. Okay, now this is 1x plus 1y equals to 10. Both are factors of 10. So the number of solutions will be 10 divided by LCM of 1 and 1 is ka box, the greatest integer function, plus 1. Now 10 upon LCM of 1 kitna hoga guys? 1 hi hoga na. 10 upon 1 is 10. So box of 10 plus 1, we have exactly 11 solutions. Box of 10 will be 10 only, it's an integer. 10 plus 1 is 11. So like just as we found out previously, we have 11 solutions here. Same way in this case, it will be box of 24 divided by LCM of 3 and 2 plus 1. Now LCM of 3 and 2 is 6, guys. So it is box of 24 plus 6. 24 by 6, sorry, plus 1. 24 by 6 is 4, plus 1 is nothing but 5. Right? In the same way, box of 30 divided by LCM of 11 and 2 plus 1. LCM of 11 and 2 is, guys, 22. They're co-prime numbers. So box of 30 divided by 22 plus 1. Okay, 30 upon 22 will be 1 point something. Uska box will be 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Same thing happens here, guys. Box of 48. करने का जरूरत नहीं है, वैसे it's the same question as we saw previously. So LCM of 4 and 6 plus 1. LCM 4 and 6 is 12. So basically this is 48 divided by 12 is ka box plus 1. 48 upon 12 is 4 plus 1 is 5. We have 5 solutions, right? It's as simple as that. Okay. So we'll solve one question based on this now, guys. Okay, I wanted to pause this video and solve it, think about it, and then we'll discuss. Okay, so suppose you have a currency named Mizo in 3 denominations, 1 Mizo, 10 Mizos, and 50 Mizos. In how many ways can you pay a bill of 107 Mizos? Okay, so let me say that I have a number of Mizos, 1 Mizo, note. I have B numbers of 10 Mizos, and I have C numbers of 50 Mizos. So in general, 107 can be written as 1A plus 10B plus 50C. Okay, A, B, and C denote the number of 1, 10, and 50 Mizos I take respectively. Okay, now guys, the largest denomination is C, right? 50 is C, right? 50 Mizos is the largest denomination. So I will take 3 cases. First case is when I will take C is equal to 0. When I take C is equal to 0, guys, in this case, you will observe that it becomes 1A plus 10B equals to 107. Now you may choose to list down all the values. Okay, or you can apply the formula we learned just now. It will be 107 divided by LCM of 1 and 10 plus 1, right? Okay, 10 और 1 का LCM 10 होता है. 10 107 upon 10 will be 10.7. Box will be 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So you anyway get 11 solutions by either formula or by listing them down. You will get 11. Okay. Now, guys, the next case I take is C is equal to 1. When I take C is equal to 1, I will get 1A plus 10B plus 50 is 107. 107 minus 50 is 57. So यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. Okay. Same thing you can do now. 57 upon LCM of 1 and 10 is 10 plus 1. I will have 5 plus 1, 6 solutions, or you can just write them down, these 6 solutions. Okay. And the next case which you take is C is equal to 2. Okay. In that case, you will get 1A plus 10B equal to 7. इसका एक ही possible value है when A is 7, B is 0. Okay. So in all, I will have 11 plus 6 plus 1, 18 solutions. It's as simple as that. So guys, if you know this formula, you can observe that you don't need to do all this every time. Check. हाँ, यहाँ भी हम formula apply कर ही सकते हैं. 7 divided by LCM of 1 and 10 plus 1. इसका box क्या हो जाएगा? 0 हो जाएगा. Right? 7 upon 0 point something will be 7 upon 10 will be 0.7. Uska box will be 0 plus 1 is again 1 solution, right? So everywhere you can apply the formula, you can solve the question very easily.